Lost contacts on your iPhone? Here are 3 fast ways to recover them. Contacts can disappear after accidental delete, sync errors, or failed backups. First, check iCloud by opening Settings, tapping your name, then iCloud, and Contacts. If you use iCloud backups, sign into iCloud.com on browser and open Account Settings. Under Advanced, choose Restore Contacts. Pick an archive date, then click Restore. Back on your iPhone, toggle Contacts off and on an iCloud to force a quick resync. Next, restore from a computer backup using Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Connect your iPhone, open Finder or iTunes, select Restore Backup and choose the latest file. If you have no backup, a reputable recovery app can scan your device for deleted contacts. Install the app, grant permissions, run a scan, preview recoverable contacts and restore what you need. Quick troubleshooting, check other email accounts, update iOS, or try an older backup copy. Recap, try iCloud Restore first, then Finder or iTunes Backup, then a recovery app. Backup regularly.